Hey everyone, so today I'll be doing a unboxing of my Kikki planners that I bought on February 13 or 14, and it came around February 24th, 25th, so it's pretty fast. So I was really excited to get these planners. It's my first time trying out Kikki planners. So I bought two sizes in coral, the medium and small. The medium is personal and small is pocket size. The two planners, the medium in coral and the small in coral. So the medium is the same size as the personal, and then the small is the same size as a pocket size planner. So here's the first one, which is the pocket size, or Kikki calls it as small. I'll also be doing a thorough flip through for both of them in future videos. So as you can see, I kind of look through the planner front and back to see how it looks, the stitching, because I kind of care about everything. The logo's there, and then the strap is really different from the file effects I have, and it has two buttons. So inside both planners, it has like a teal, turquoise, greenish blue inserts, which I'm planning to switch out into my own inserts because I kind of like the black and white inserts only, and then I decorate it with stickers and then markers and pens. I also noticed that the two buttons kind of leave an indent. If I close it on the first button, the second button leaves an indent. I guess I can't do much about it since it's two buttons. So here's the second planner, which is the personal size planner. Kikki calls it the medium size planner. So it's similar as a pocket planner in color, which is coral. As always, I always check the exterior to see how it looks, the stitchings, the buttons, see if everything's perfectly looking nicely. Also in here is also the turquoise, green, and white inserts, which I will be switching out into my own personal inserts. Again, I will be doing a more thorough flip through in future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.